Hello everyone, thank you for watching. My name is Sergey Kasimov and welcome to my channel. Now before we get started, I have a special opportunity for you. How would you like to earn thousands of dollars online doing exactly what I do? Video reviews and creating content online. In fact, I have created the ultimate class that's gonna teach newbies just like you how to get started making money creating online business. If you're interested and wanna learn more, in the next video I'm gonna be showing you what you're gonna be getting. And enroll today because the price is starting at $9.99 and I'm going to be giving it away to only the next few subscribers who decide to enroll in this class. After that, the price is going to go up. So make sure you enroll today. I have created a class to teach you how you can make money online creating content on YouTube. And this is something that you can do yourself and get started right now. So if you like my style of teaching and you want to learn more, I have created this class called YouTube Start a Profitable Business Channel Fast and Simple. Over 3 hours of content ready for newbies just like you. Over 8,000 students who so far been enrolled and they love this class. In this course, you'll be learning the following: how to start a YouTube channel fast, monetize your content and channel, optimize your channel, get more fans and watch time, and increase your sub numbers drastically and fast. If you're interested, want to learn more, and want to make money online such as I make myself, this course has been created just for you. Enroll now for the cheap price of $9.99 and get started earning money today, creating your own YouTube channel. So I wanted to show you a great way for you to make money on YouTube without having to film yourself or even be on camera. The only thing that you're required to do is to do a voiceover, and you can get thousands of people viewing your actual video doing exactly that. In fact, some people make over $100 every single day, if not thousands of dollars, using this specific method. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do this, and you can do this as well. So here is an example of a video that was created using this specific method. And what it does, this has 4 monster tornadoes caught on cameras. None of it was actually being filmed by the guy who created this video. All he actually did is upload compilation videos and post them over here using specific method, which I'm going to be showing you that you can do it as well. So the first thing that he actually did here, he was using Creative Commons. He gave credit to all the different Creative Commons videos, and you can see that this video was created with a bunch of those different videos all combined all together, and that have created this big video right here, which is over 10 minutes long and got 415,000 views. And you can do the same thing as well. So let's go ahead and check out some of his videos over here. And this is the Creative Commons videos that he went about and he copied. This is just one out of many different videos that he copied to do this specific method. Now he also has a bunch of other videos on his channel as well. And you can see more of it right here. So what if a nuclear bomb hit New York City? What if Yellowstone erupted tomorrow? Let's check this one out right here. This specific video got 3 million views. There is a commercial over here, and the potential payoff is probably as much for you to get a brand new vehicle. So this is also a compilation video. It's only 4 minutes long. And let's go ahead and take a look what he used here. A few sources right here and a few other things that he did as well. And this is also Creative Commons too. So you can create potentially a channel like this guy over here and make thousands of dollars every single month using this method. So you're probably excited and want to know how to do this yourself. So let's get started. Let's figure this out. First thing you're going to do is to go to YouTube. After you're going to YouTube, all you have to do next is to enter the topic that you want to search. I do suggest for you a niche topic that you want to cover. For example, let's type in fastest airplanes in the world. That's going to be the topic we'll be creating the videos. And now we have a bunch of different videos for us to use. Now you can't use them unless you're going to be doing the next step, which is press on the filter, go all the way where it says the following Creative Commons, press on this next, and now we have a bunch of videos that we can take the topics from. One thing I do suggest for you to do before you go ahead and use any of those videos, you don't know if any of the stuff inside the video is actually copyrighted or not. So this has been on it for 2 months, and I don't suggest for you to use recent video, because more than likely they could have some topic in them that actually has not been approved for you to actually use. Maybe it's not Creative Commons. Let's say somebody actually stole the content and posted just on YouTube just to get different views, and of course he labeled it as Creative Commons. For you to be safe, what you have to do is to get things that have been over 6 months long. In fact, over a year long is exactly the amount that you want to get. Anything that's more recent, the more recent it is, the more chances you're taking with the Creative Commons that you're getting. For example, let's say that we want to use this specific video right here. It looks like this is very old video, and definitely it probably is a Creative Commons video over here just by watching the kind of a footage that it actually shows us. Now, I don't suggest for you to go ahead and copy the entire video. All you have to do is to do voiceover and copy a small section of the video and then narrate over it using your own words. That is the most important thing you have to do over here. Before you go ahead and copy a video such as this, you want to go ahead and take a look and see if the license actually says Creative Commons and attribute license and reuse is allowed, and if so, you can go ahead and then copy a significant portion or a part of this video. The less you copy, the more safe you are without getting any trouble with YouTube. Also, I would not actually go ahead and use the actual voice that has been used in those videos. Just to be extra safe, using your own voiceover is probably the safest thing you can do. So here's one video. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and get at least 5 or 6 different videos all combined. After you find the 5 or 6 videos that you want to actually use, next thing we are going to be doing is to going to Google, typing in YouTube Downloader, and then finding a free download program that we can use over here. So YouTube download for free is going to be exactly what we are going to be looking for, and then finding software that we'll be actually using here, such as this one right here maybe, and we are going to be going ahead and using that in order for us to copy some of those contents over there. Now, there is another way for us to do this as well, and this is the way I use this myself, but it's only good for the next 30 days. So if you want to do this, the next step that you can do is the following. Go to techsmith.com and download Camtasia and try the free trial over here, and it's good for the next 30 days, and you can create your own videos. You can try this method that I just showed you, and if it works great for you, you can go ahead and upgrade to the full version, which I actually did, and I bought the full version all myself. It is a little bit on the steep side. It is expensive. The 2018 costs 250 bucks, but if they still have the 2018 version and you can still get it, it is much cheaper, and I do suggest for you to actually get. So 2018 version, I do suggest for you to grab from here, and of course to actually pay for it and use it, because that's what I use myself in order for me to create all those videos. It's one of the best investments I ever actually made. I made thousands, if not $100,000 on YouTube using this specific software called Camtasia. So I totally recommend for you to use it as well. Now, let me show you a video that I made myself. Proof time travel is actually real. It is a compilation video, and I used voiceover in order for me to create this entire video. One thing you have to understand, that if you're using YouTube for fair use, you can definitely almost use any kind of educational content as long as it is educational and posted up here. So even if some of the content is actually copyrighted, you can still use it as long as it is made for educational use, which is otherwise known as fair use. You can go ahead and actually take almost any kind of single video, and even if there is a copyright claim against it, you can go ahead and appeal. But in most cases, as long as you don't actually copy anyone's actual work, you can go ahead and use it. And then if you're doing voiceover and you're doing your own version of it, it is totally allowed and YouTube actually supports you to do that. But with using Creative Commons and fair use, it's more than likely that you will never get a copyright strike for creating a video with using the method that I just told you to actually do. And I totally suggest for you to do this as well. Some of the biggest YouTube channels out there use the same exact method to make money online, and you should do it as well.